Hi, my name is Siti Rosano binti Parman, a student from OUM doing my Bachelor of Science in Project and Facilities Management with honour. This video is taken to answer assignment question number 2 from Building Design Management. This video will present the design purpose and office at the ground floor for learning institution which comprise the following space, such as lecturer office, lecturer lounge, admin staff area, student lounge, meeting room, discussion room and library. To propose a new building, first we need to know the design process and also its challenges and the issue. The first design process is appointment of design team. The approach of design team can help to determine the rules and the possible of the design team, what action they require to take to complete the project. This design team should consist of specialist designer that competent in the monitoring design planning stage till hand over the project. The issue is there were divergent and sometimes conflicting perspective on design management by the top management and design managers. Furthermore, there was a lack of agreement on the potential benefit from managing design to the contractor perspective. The second design process is programming. Programming space involves gathering information that designer architect obtain from client, structure consultant, mechanical and electrical consultant, quantity surveyor, municipal department and authorities about the requirement user of the building, building area, project cost, technology service and requirement construction that specified by the authorities. The issue is design manager lack of skill and experience to understand the project needs, budget and aspiration, making decision and communication this appropriately. The next process is schematic design. Schematic design space can be defined as a preliminary design space which is concerned on the requirement construction area building, such as site survey, preliminary site plan, preliminary floor plan, preliminary building section and exterior elevation. The challenges and the issue is the lack of clear theoretical foundation for design management influences the problem of the design. Next is design manager appear to have an inappropriate understanding, skill and also knowledge about the design. After that is development design. In the development design space, designer need to prepare detailed specification drawing after client review and comment the schematic design. The designer responsible to resolve all client comment and authorities comment, thus ensure the design complies with the accredited building code. The issue and the challenges is each design manager appears to be taking a personal view on how design should be managed. This can make the development of design become difficult to resolve all the client comment and suggestion. Next design process is contract administration. During contract administration phase, the design drawing and specification finishes schedule such as ceiling finishes, tiling, door and other architecture items will be stated in the contract document. All these requirements and specification that related with the construction project will assemble and then release it for the tendering process to appoint a main contractor. The issue and the challenges is unclear scope of work, ambiguous specification lead to dispute over required performance. And next is change order, change in the scope of work, additional work, money, time after contract award can be requested by either party for any reason. The next issue is work product, which is purchase order or contract clearly identify correct product but vendorship incorrect, no dispute involved. After that, the next design process is construction management. During construction management, main contractor is possible to construct the faculty based on requirement in the contract document. In addition, architect need to coordinate with the main contractor regarding the specification and installation drawing. The issue and the challenges is risk of failure, which is the contractor never had done the project before, which is involved in new technology, new equipment, new vendor, tight timeline or budget. Next issue is contractor need to ensure the building construction under specification, requirement quality, duration project that state in the document. Next is handover. Handover is the last phase which involves testing and commissioning of the mechanical electrical system to obtain authorities approval. During this phase, main contractor and subcontractor will hand over as-built drawing, operation and manual that approved by authorities to submit to the client for their reference. After main contractor successfully construct the proposed building under the requirement, principal submitting person, which is PSP, who is personal architect, professional architect, professional engineer will issue the certificate of completion and compliance (CCC) will indicate building regulation and warranty of defect. The issue is contractor need to rectify the defect that is stated in the condition of certificate partial completion to get the CCC from PSP. The next issue is pending approval authorities for mechanical and electrical and piping system testing commissioning for CCC process. We going to previous discussion and purpose design, including the passive design for sustainability of the building. So the site visit for this case study have been done at Faculty Office Management at UiTM Perak. As you can see, the previous design is indicate the space for lecture office, lecture lounge, and there is the student lounge, and also there is admin staff area and the meeting room. So this building is divided into the left wing and the right wing, which is only the left wing have the required of the space in the question. So there are three elements which is important to redesign the purpose design of the building, which is first is flow system, which is will explain the staff activities in the building. After that, the data will come out with the activity relation chart, and next we will see the space requirement of the building. First, we look at the flow system. This flow system is explain about the staff activity in the building from they enter the building until they exit the building. As you can see, the red one is for lecture movement, and the grey one is for the student movement, and the blue one is for admin staff movement. And this data of the staff activity will come out with the monthly frequency of staff movement in the building. For example, from lecture office to the lecture lounge is 18 frequency, and from lecture office to the admin staff area is 40. From lecture office to the student lounge is 32, and so on. And so that this data will come out with activity relationship chart for purpose design. As you can see, this lecture office, from lecture office to the lecture lounge, there is O and 2. O is shown as a ordinary closeness, which is the frequency is 11 to 20. Data is taken from the frequency, monthly frequency in the table is 18, so the frequency is between 11 and 20, so they will come out with O, and the 2 is frequency of the use medium, which is the frequency is between 17 to 33. This also is indicated at the this data also, so they will come out with number 2. This is the example. The activity relationship chart, and this the data will come out to the space requirement. The space requirement first we come out with the value, which is A, E, I, O, U, and X, the value of the closeness, and then we take the data from the chart. For example, the A, this the A is which is absolutely necessary, and 4 is information flow height, is space from student lounge to the library. So this one is space number 4 to space number 7. So the data we put in the A, which is 4 to 7. So for A, we come out with the value E, which is from lecture office to the admin staff area here. So number 1, space number 1 to space number 3. So we put here space number 1 and space number 3. So we follow for the I, O, U, and X. So after that, the curricle of space, we will come out with the relationship each room. This the important of room, relationship of room, we will come out with the data from A, E, I, and O. We will take this A, E, I, O only because to see the important space of requirement in the building. So as you can see here, for space number 4 to space number 7, space number 4 to space number 7, and then space number 1 to space number 3, space number 1 to space number 3, and 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 4, and then 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 5, and 1 to 5, and then lastly is 1 to 6, 1 to 6. So this space is related to each other, and then we will come out with the space requirement of the building. As you can see, the number 1 is important to located at the center between the other space, which is number 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, because this room is relate with the number 1, so this number 1 is very important to be at the center. After we get the relationship for each room, we come out with the purpose design. As you can see, the space number 1, which is lecture office, is located center between the space number 5, 2, 3, 4, and 6. As you can see, the center between space number 4, space number 2, number 3, and 5 and 6. So this the red color space is we haven't change, to redesign this existing space, because this data is already accurate to the existing design. So we only redesign for the number 6 discussion room, and number 7 is library. As you can see, the library is at the center of the building, so this can make easier for student from student lounge and classroom. Here is the classroom, and here also classroom. So library located at the center of the building to easy student from left wing and to the right wing come to the library to do their revision. And the item number 6 is discussion room. So lecturer and admin will go to discussion room to have their discussion about their schedule, lecture schedule. So the purpose design need to include the passive design, which is important to sustainable building. There are a number of factors that go into passive design, which is design of building for the climax, shading, orientation of the building, glazing, and the skylight. For the passive design for the purpose building, first we look at the design for climax and the shading of the building. First is the sloping roof at the left wing of the building, which is suitable to use for our climate, which is warm, humid equatorial climates, which precipitation across the year generally become more instant for several consecutive months. So the light color of the roof will reflect the solar radiation and keep the inside of building cool. And also you can see here is a overhanging roof. Overhanging roof is used to protect the wall and the opening of the building, which is the window, from radiation and precipitation, since the warm humid climate region is receive high rainfall throughout the year. So this overhanging roof is to prevent the rainfall to enter in the building. And this is the flat roof. Flat roof in this building is used for mechanical affairs such as air condition and water tank maintenance. The next passive design is orientation. As you can see, this is the sun orientation for the proposed building, and the building is facing to the north, and this is the south, and this is the east and west. So east and west receive more radiation compared to the north and the south. This is because this area is nothing provide for the shading. Same also at the west. So the high radiation will receive during afternoon at the south in this area. So building exposed to the solar radiation in the morning and also in the evening. Next, we look at the topographical orientation that show the existing forest and also the landscape located surrounding of the building. At the previous study, we already know at the east and the west of the building, which is in the morning and also the evening, the building is exposed to the solar radiation in the morning and evening, because at this area there is no shading provided. So we look at the topographical orientation. As you can see, the landscape and also the forest at the surrounding of the building have to reduce effect of the strong radiation on the wall of the building and also the structure. This also can keep the temperature inside the building become cool. Next, we look at the glazing and the skylight of the building. This building is used window types of fixed glass panel, which is at the lecture office, here lecture office, and then at this lecture lounge, and also this foyer glass partition, they use glass partition, and also this at the classroom fixed glass panel, and also here also at the cafeteria, which is student lounge, is fixed glass panel. So this glass panel is suitable for this region because it permits the right amount of sunlight into the rooms for comfort and keep the building in cool. And also the glass partition can avoid the strong wind that occur during rain squall that can throughout the area of the building. Okay, next we look at the benefit and the impact of the purpose design for business continuity. So this is our purpose design, and we look at the benefit. The purpose design may contribute the benefit to the client and fulfill the client need, requirements, satisfaction, and function of the building as a faculty learning. As you can see, lecture office located between the student lounge, lecturer lounge, admin staff area, meeting room. Lecturer making easy to conduct their business by using all the space nearby their room. Okay, next, this process design is support the client mission as to be up-to-date information and quality facilities to meet the need of teaching and learning, as a library was located near by the classroom to simplify students to do their research and revision. They also give benefit to the client to save cost and to build the new building for library. And this is the impact. So the purpose design will impact the financial cost of the building. The purpose design will save more cost later than construct the new building. Besides that, the passive design also will impact the orientation and type of glass and other material finishes. They impact temperature inside the building, thus can save energy for electrical and system for business continuity. And building design management is very critical element to construct a new building. Therefore, every design process plays important roles to ensure the building construct with certification, client, and suitable with the facilities of the building. During the design process or design planning, it is very important to emphasize the three elements for system, activity relationship, and space requirement. Thus, by using this element, the facilities design of the building may give benefit to the consumer will be lasting rather than transitory. Lastly, consideration of passive design in design process will give a good impact for the business continuity. Thank you.